Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my new special series triple drone A flute. I'm going to be producing these flutes in 440 Hz and also 432 Hz. This one here is in 432 Hz. And folks, if you can tell, my triple drone is different than anyone else's out there. Everyone else, they normally have theirs going all the way up with a piece of wood and then they split them down the side. This one here is not produced like that. It is totally different. These are one-piece flutes. They have been bored out with a gun drill. And folks, this thing right here, let me tell you, this is probably, I've been making flutes since 2010, and I'm pretty sure this year is the best I have ever produced in my life, folks. I feel like everyone's going to love them, enjoy them, and you can have so much fun with them. You can do so many things with this flute. I'm going to demonstrate to you today, if you bear with me, some of the things that you can do with it. And you professionals out there, you probably can do way more than I can, but I'm going to do my best to demonstrate it to you today, if you bear with me. This one here has been produced from black walnut wood. Black walnut is a very hard wood. And I have my deer antler fetishes on it. 3 of them, they're just alike. And the mouthpiece, as you can see, are very close together. And if you can see, it's got just a little bit of a rise right here in the middle. And folks, it feels so good in your mouth. It is just ridiculous, folks, how good that feels. And you have no problems. You can play the middle one, which is the middle one here, your main flute. You can play this side as a drone, or you can play this side as a drone, or you can play all 3 together, and it's no work at all getting all 3 in your mouth the way I have designed it. I feel like everyone's going to love it. It took a lot of work trying to design something perfect for everyone, folks, and that's what I tried to do. I wanted you to enjoy it. I didn't want you to have to work at all trying to play this flute. And as you can see, I have 3 on this side, nothing on this side, and 6 in the middle. But if you bear with me, I'll show you how to play each one of them. I remove the leather and I play it like that. Just bear with me. First, I'm going to start off with the main key, which is A, tuned to 432 Hz. It's a little hot in here. I'm a little tired, but I'm going to do my best. Play the drone side with no holes and the middle one. Playing, okay, I thought I had the leather removed, but I'm going to remove one side of the leather on the bottom. All you got to do is just twist it. Twist it just like so, instead of trying to slide it up and down. I don't like to use buttons because the buttons, it be's in the way of you trying to reach across. So the leather keeps it flat, and plus 2, you know, it keeps you from covering up the holes if there wasn't any leather on it. So the leather, it serves a purpose on this flute. You can do so much more with this leather than you could with one with all of the holes open. Excuse me. But I'm going to demonstrate how to do, I'm going to play the middle one first, and then I'm going to play just this one hole open. Okay, now I'm going to play all three together with that one hole open. Now I'm going to open up two holes on the bottom, just like so. All you got to do is twist your leather, just like so. First I'm going to play the middle one and the drone side. Now I'm going to play all three together with the two open. Beautiful. Now I'm going to remove the leather here. I'm going to just slide it up. Just slide up one, like that. Now I have all three holes open. Now you can play it with all three holes open from the middle if you play all three together. But first I'm gonna play it like right here with just the two drone, with the middle here and the drone side. Now I'm going to play it with all three together the same way. Beautiful. Now I'm going to play with my fingers not on these three holes. I'm going to put my fingers on the middle flute, and I'm going to play all three together. So you can play this flute so many different ways, folks. You can play it a whole lot more than what I did. But I'm going to have these flutes on sale, folks. I'll put on there what I normally would charge, but I'm going to have them on sale for you all because I want everyone in the whole world to try these flutes. And I feel like everyone's going to love them, folks. You're going to have so much fun. I've been playing this flute here. You might think I'm telling you a story, but I've been playing this flute, I know, an hour. And I haven't seen not a drop of moisture yet. I've tried to blow it out, but there was no moisture in the flute when I just done this video. I've been playing it a solid hour because that's how much I enjoy it. And I'm going to leave the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away. This one here is in stock, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be gone just as soon as I do this video. But I can make you one just like that. Like I said, I'm going to produce these in 440 hertz and also 432 hertz. And this one here has been produced with black walnut. I'm probably going to make some in cedar also, aromatic cedar. I'm not sure right now, I probably will. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this flute. And I will greatly appreciate it, folks. And I appreciate everything everyone's doing for me. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And I continue to want to thank the Lord for keep giving me these ideas. And I know I wouldn't have thought of it if it wasn't for him. And I appreciate him most of all, folks. Thank you so much. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Be safe. And be safe and happy fluting, folks. Thank you so much. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful piece of wood. See that mouthpiece? Thank you so much, folks.